Good afternoon and welcome to another mower video, and this time we're going to be fitting replacement parts to this mower. So since I made the last mower video, I did manage to find out a bit more about the engine that's on this mower. It's a Tecumseh Vantage 3.5, and said the starter recoil's a bit knackered. It's actually missing some parts. You can get repair kits for them, but I thought I'll just get a complete recoil cover, and also I got a petrol tank as well. Now, I'll tell you what I'll do. Well, I'll make a note number this. Make a note of the part number. Looks like it comes with part number 23350027, and I think that's a Tecumseh part number. So, what I might do in the future is to order a cap, and then I'll be able to sell these petrol tanks on. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that one off and put that one on. But first thing to do, fit this recoil cover. But I'll tell you what I'll do. It's just a bit hard to show you with one hand. So I don't know how well you're going to see this. But if it's a bit awkward. Do it one of the. I'll just put you on a tripod and you'll be able to see what I mean. So this is my replacement recoil cover. So I'll just pull it out, and if you see the lugs, what I don't know what they're called, but when you pull back, they fly out, and it engages on the cup on the top of the engine and turns it around. That's how the recoil works. Anyway, that's a fully working one. So we'll get this fitted onto the mower. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get this tank off. I think there's still a bit of petrol in the bottom, but if I get it in this position, just take the clip off, and out that comes. And I'll just put that over there. I'll just put this one on. It's a bit of a nicer one. So, as the saying goes, refitting is a reverse of removal. So just push that in. Get the clip on. It might be a bit easier said than done, but I have to try and move the clip up. It didn't seem to get past, so we'll put it on there and just push it on. That's probably easiest. There we go. Should have done that first time. So that's the petrol tank fitted. Now I'll fit the recoil cover. So first thing I do, I'll put that spring on there. This cover's held on by 4 10mm bolts. Get them out, and then that just goes on something like that. Don't worry about that. There's an extra bolt, which is a screw for the exhaust guard. So there's 2 10mm bolts on this one. See if I can get this bolt out on this cover. I think it's actually an 8mm. And there goes the spring. So retrieve that, put that back there, try to get this bolt out of there. Because that's is it an 8? Yep, it's an 8. Oh, I didn't even need to ratchet. Just unscrew that, put that to one side for now. Try again. Let's see if I can get these bolts started. Just start them by hand because I don't want to cross thread them. So that's that one started. So it's best to start and don't put one on and tying it up, because you find not everything lines up. So just these two at the back. Just move this handle and I can move this tank right out of the way. Get this third bolt started. There we go, that's started. And the last 10mm bolt. And that's the last bolt start, so I can now tighten these up. I'll just get these snugged up. Okay, so that's that one snugged up. So next is this petrol tank, and that was an 8mm bolt, which is right here. Which was socket. So that's that snugged up, it's looking better already. Replace some parts. So the last thing I need to do is secure that exhaust guard. As soon as I find a suitable screwdriver. So I might get him with it. Might just get him with the stubby. If not, I'll just find. No, it's too short, so I need to find a suitable screwdriver. Oh, I could just use this 8mm bowl, that might be a better idea. So what am I going to get in with me 1/4" ratchet? That's the question. I think I might be in with a shout. No, apparently not. Let's see, I'm dropping it. Oh, so I have to forget that. So I'll get a suitable screwdriver and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my screwdriver. So find the hole, there we go. So that's secured there. I think there's another bolt somewhere. Oops, don't get my zip caught in the guard. Yep, there's a bolt down here. And I can get in my ratchet. No. No, anyway, we'll leave that. That's secure enough. So we'll take it outside and we'll go for a start. Right, so get some petrol in. Might need a. I'll use a spout. That might make it easier. Put a spout on the petrol can. There we go. Just had a drop of petrol. Okay, I think it should be enough to be able to start it up. Oh, and I've ordered a replacement handle as well up here as well, so when that comes I'll get that fitted, but for now I just want to get it running, so just press the primer button. Right, and now the moment of truth. That's working. Full start records. I'll just try it once more, see if it works. There we go. First pull. So I'm pleased with that. So as soon as this replacement handle comes, I'll get that fitted, and I might give it a bit of a service as well. If I've got some oil around, I can change the oil, clean the spark plug, or maybe fit a new one. Got an NGK plug on it, so I can get the part number off that, and maybe look at the air filter as well. Anyway, it's running, so I'll probably carry on this video once I've got the handle. I'm still waiting for the handle to turn up. I'll just show you a little something else. I just fired it up. As you can see, the engine's vibrating So I've got it tipped up on its side. I've pulled the HT lead off, so there's no danger of this firing up. So it's a 14mm bolt, so we just, and out it comes. So what I'll do, just to keep it safe so I don't lose anything, just put that back in the box, boss, and we'll get this cleaned up and balanced. So with our blade out, all we need to do is just put it on there. Actually, it's quite well balanced, is that? Look at that, it's perfectly balanced, is that blade. So what we'll do anyway is we'll clean it up, and we'll there's a few divots on the edge. I don't know if you can tell from there, but we'll clean it up and get it painted up as well. So I'm going to use a pillar drill just to clean it up as much as I can. We'll get it started. And give it a lick of paint as well, just to make it look a bit better. See if we can clean that edge up as well. Probably have to use my grinder. No, this pillar drill's not doing much, so we'll do something else instead. So I've got it in the vise, so I'll just try the cordless drill, see if that works any better. So just flip it over, do the other side. It's better, but I'm not sure if it's... I think I may end up having to either use a corded drill on this one. Let's get it a bit... Well, it's not much better. Hopefully it shouldn't have affected the balance of the blade. There we go, still perfectly balanced. So what I'll do is I'll hit it with some paint, and then we'll see if we can get this blade sharpened, because you can see divots there. So we'll give it a go with grinder, see if we can get that a bit better. So we'll just take this with some paint. I found some paint in the garage, so just to pretty it up. And then we'll leave that to dry, and then we'll do the other side. And now time to hit the other side. It'll be a really pretty job. It'll look a bit more presentable once it's done. So we'll just let it dry, and then we'll get this blade sharpened. So I've got my floppy disc grinder. We'll see if we can get this blade sharpened a bit better. There we go, that's looking a bit better. I'll do the same on the other end. So with both edges sharpened there and there. Let's see if this blade's still in balance. Yep, we're still balanced. So that can go back on mower. So next thing I'm going to have a look at is a spark plug. So it's just a 14mm spark plug spanner. Let's have a look at that. Get that off, and we'll see what condition is. Might be running, which so it says looking a bit black, so I'll give that a clean. This is an NGK B6S, so give that a clean. And I'll do that off camera as well, you don't need to see me doing that, and we'll see if it runs any better. Okay, let's see if it runs any better. Worth doing the blade, so I think we'll leave it at that, and we'll just have to wait for the replacement handle to come. And once that arrives, I can get that fitted.